Welcome to this lesson on verb forms. Today, we're learning about the base form, also called the dictionary form of verbs. This is the foundation for understanding all other verb tenses in English. The base form is the simplest and most original version of any verb. Let's explore what it is and how to use it. The base form is the infinitive without the word to. It's the original, unchanged form of a verb that you find in any dictionary. For example, common base forms include eat, sleep, run, and write. Every verb has a base form. This is where all other verb forms come from. Think of the base form as the parent form. All other forms are created from it. Now let's see how the base form compares to other verb forms. The base form is eat. In the third person singular, it becomes eats. In the past tense, it becomes ate. The past participle is eat, and the present participle is eating. Notice how the verb changes in different contexts. The base form stays the same and is used in specific situations. Understanding these differences helps you use the correct form at the right time. The base form appears in several important situations. First, use the base form after modal verbs like can, must, should, and will. For example, I can eat pizza or she must go home. Second, use the base form with the word to make an infinitive. For example, I want to eat lunch or it is important to learn English. Third, use the base form for the present tense with the subjects I, you, we, and they. For example, we play football every day or they work in the office. There are two types of verbs, regular and irregular. Regular verbs are predictable. To make the past tense, simply add the letters ed to the base form. Examples include play becomes played, work becomes worked, and walk becomes walked. Irregular verbs are tricky because they change completely in the past tense. You must memorize them. For example, go becomes went, eat becomes ate, and be becomes was or were. When learning English, spend time memorizing the common irregular verbs. Let's summarize the most important points about the base form. First, the base form is the original, unchanged form of every verb you find in a dictionary. Second, always recognize the base form when it is used with modal verbs, infinitives, and the present tense with I, you, we, and they. Third, some verbs are regular and add ed for the past tense, while irregular verbs change completely and must be memorized. Finally, the base form is the foundation for all other verb tenses in English. Master the base form, and you will find it much easier to understand all other verb forms.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.